Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today I am bringing to probably a really short unboxing for once, as I'm literally going to unbox one package with 2 items in it from week 9. So yeah, obviously these are going to be my week 9 orders, or this is going to be my week 9 order. There's not much else to say, so we're going to get straight into it. But as per norm, let me know down below whether your item has arrived, or whether you've got a shipping date for it, or whether it's out for delivery today. And also let me know what your item actually is, what you copped, what you picked up, what size, what colorway, and if you're going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling what you picked up. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this. Okay, so literally plain and simple. Here is my package. There is literally not a lot to say, except for let's just open it, if I can, that is. Right, let's get into this. So, let's kick things off nice and simple, I suppose, with the zine, okay? I'll still call it a zine, but with the zine. So, put it in a bag, like make sure that I can just like get it out nice and easy. Right, let's take this out and take a look. So, there are 60 photos overall in this, which I will briefly go through. I'll put it up to the screen and do the same thing, but yeah. There you go. Anyway, that's as quick as I will go through this. I'll be keeping this, it'll be joining the other like 3 that I have. Also, bag's quite useful, to be honest, for me to put if I want to put a tea or something in it, so thank you for that, Supreme. And for the last piece, since we don't get a sticker or anything, so that can go straight out the way, they're going to be these thermal pants. In a second you'll cut to me having them on, because I need to try them and make sure that they fit all okay, because I don't want to go through the same issue as last year where I picked up this exact colorway in a size up and it was just terrible. But yeah, these I've already got like a normal pair of like black colored thermal pants and thermal top. So yeah, they're used for running and tennis, so these will be used for tennis as well, because I have like a white set to wear for tennis, so yeah. But that is going to cover this video. Like I said, it's short and sweet. We've got this unboxed, we've got this done. I'll rip this open in a second, like I said, and try it obviously. But yeah, that is going to cover this video. So if you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated. As I said, if your items have arrived, let me know down below. And yeah, good luck for everyone tomorrow for the North Face collab, because yeah, I need it. I need as much luck as possible, so yeah, if you could wish me some as well, would be great. Okay, nice and simple. I know I don't do this often, do I, really, where I actually take something out of its packaging. So nice and simple, open it up, take the card that they have out, natural colorway. Right, I don't know, you can just stand up here. I got Christmas socks on, because why not, but yeah, got them on. They are extremely long, by the way, like extremely long, and I've got a medium, and they're like a solid, like another, I don't know, 30 centimeters, or no, that's a bit much, 10 centimeters longer than what I need, to be honest, but they're fine, they keep me warm. So now that covers this video. If you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, I'll see you all next time. Peace.